Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is preview update KB5070311 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app and make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow and then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan, and once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, and once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Next step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause update option. So hit pause over here. This may take some time to pause the update. Once paused, now hit resume updates over here. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services over here. Find Windows Update, scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Again make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness. Here you can see app readiness. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description and then write down the name of the update, that is KB5070311 over here and then click on search. Now check the Windows version. So type in WINVER, click on WinVer run command, and over here in my case it's version 25H2. So check your version over here and then open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option. Check the system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then over here you will see the update KB5070311. Click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually, and once done restart your computer. After the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update option. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update advanced option. If you see retry option, you can click on retry over here and then check. Now go to advanced option and then over here scroll down, click on recovery option, click on recovery, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once the reinstall is complete, restart your computer and then update. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, run this exe file and then you have to click on accept, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next, save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time, so let the download complete and then once done click on finish, and over here you can see this screen. Do not close this screen manually, let it close automatically. This will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow, click on next, and then click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this option is checked and then hit install. This process will take some time, and once that is done, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.